Hello traders and welcome to OptionsXO London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, June 22nd. In the North Americans, Janet Yellen, head of the U.S. Federal Reserve, warned of risks on the consequences of a Brexit vote. The interest rate policy, according to Yellen, has been moderate by the Brexit outlook, and it's become a factor in the decision that rates remain stationary. U.S. indexes posted moderate gains and the dollar rose after a two-day decline. In Europe, the central bank's Mario Draghi's positive inflation outlook for the European rate gave lift to the Euro Stoxx 50, which rose 1.26%. The pound formed a triple top with lower price action, as warnings on the consequences of a Brexit reflected on investor sentiment. The FTSE 100 rose 0.36%, the DAX 1%, and the euro fell by 0.5%, also driven down ahead of the British vote. Moving on to Asian markets. In Asia, the Wednesday session had the Nikkei reacting down 0.5%. Yen is seeing strength and rising 0.2% this morning as investors seek safe havens ahead of the Brexit vote tomorrow. In commodities highlights, raw material fell 1% as crude oil ranged higher above the $50 mark. U.S. oil inventories fell by $1.50 last week, according to a survey by Bloomberg. Gold suffered the biggest loss in 4 weeks, and it's back down to $12.70 at the end of the U.S. session. And here are today's important economic events. The European Central Bank's non-monetary policy meeting was at 7 this morning GMT, and the ZEW expectations survey will be in at 9. The U.S. Housing Price Index is expected at 1 p.m. alongside the Swiss Central Bank's quarterly bulletin. At 2 p.m., Fed head Janet Yellen continues her testimony to Congress, and at 11:30 tonight GMT, Japanese foreign bond investment and foreign investment. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.